We are currently receiving reports of an unidentified, hostile threat. These threats are being referred to as alternates. We are not sure how to deal with alternates as of now, but the Mandela County Police Department has issued multiple rules to follow to keep citizens safe. Be sure to not be outside after curfew, to lock all doors and windows, and to keep a loaded gun nearby at all times. Alternates will become an almost perfect copy of your loved ones, and can be extremely hard to identify. Alternates are extremely intelligent, and will use any means necessary to steal your identity, including psychological distress, instilling fear in victims, and occasionally, physical harm. If you see a copy of you or someone you know, it is already too late. If you see a copy of you or someone you know, perform the sound mimicry test. To perform the sound mimicry test, ask the suspected alternate to repeat a phrase. If they do not repeat the phrase exactly, evacuate immediately. Do not attempt conversation. It will steal your voice.
Yo, so I just got this new camera, and I was just gonna break into it, go on like a night stroll and basically record everything that happens. Just gonna go for a nice little night walk. So they've been building these new houses here that honestly do not fit in with the established neighborhood in any way whatsoever. It's not that they look bad, it's just that they don't really, in my opinion, fit. But that's just my opinion. Like, honestly, who cares? You can see my shadow. Spooky. We're approaching this place. This is a nice little forest path. This is a nice little forest path that I like to take my dog through when I walk her. So we're just gonna go through here, see what happens. I'm just realizing I didn't bring a flashlight, so it's probably gonna be pretty dark. Hopefully this camera has a good night vision mode, or whatever. But if it's not, I guess you're just gonna see it pitch black. But honestly, that's fine. Here, I can point it up at the sky and you can see the light from here. I guess that'll work. It's really hard to, I'm seeing things. But like, what the f was that? What the, huh? Am I seeing things, or did you just, hello? Hello? What the f? What? Who are you? Who are you? This isn't funny. This isn't funny. This isn't funny. This isn't funny. This isn't. Hello? Hello? This isn't funny. Who are you? Who are you? What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that?
This is Officer of the Mandela County Police Department. The date is beginning sound mimicry test protocol. Please state your name and date of birth.
My name is I was born. Can you tell me what this is all about?
Yeah, of course. This is just a little test. That's all. Just to make sure you're not an alternate.
An alternate? I can't believe that
Sir,
you think
please
that
calm down. This is just something we're rolling out. Trust me, I don't want to be here any more than you do.
Okay.
All you have to do is repeat a couple of phrases back to me exactly as I say them, okay?
All right.
Phrase 1. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog.
The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog.
Good.
What are you writing?
Just a few notes, nothing to worry about.
Okay.
Phrase 2. I am of sound body and mind.
I am of sound body and mind.
Sorry, could you repeat yourself one more time?
I am of sound body and mind.
Great, thank you. Well, you've been doing great so far.
Good.
Phrase 3. I reject any thoughts that aren't my own.
I reject any thoughts that aren't my own.
Alright, this is the final test. Then I can let you go home. Phrase 4. Actions speak louder than words. Actions speak louder than words. What the Officer, Hutch, you're paralyzed ways. No, stand back. No, stand back. This is Officer requesting backup. This is Officer requesting backup. This is Officer. Cancel that backup. The threat has been neutralized.